Hey everybody, it is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, coming at you with a new video. So today I'm actually at a airfield here. It's a remote control airfield in Broomfield, Colorado, and I'm going to test out my long range system, the R9. So last week when I took it out, unfortunately I didn't really get to do a good test because I was near a lot of interference. So now we're in a nice wide open field and should have no interference whatsoever or very minimal. I also upgraded the antenna. It's coming actually today, so by the time you guys see this video, I'll have the new antenna. I ordered the Super 8 by FrSky, so that's on the way, and then I'll be testing that antenna as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the flight footage.